Welcome to today's webinar, Government Contract Risk Management 10 Mistakes that Lead to Costly Claims. Government contracts can provide, however, they introduce unique risks that contractors may not encounter in private sector projects: stability, long-term revenue, significant growth opportunities. The reality is that many claims, disputes, compliance issues, and financial losses can often be traced back to a handful of common mistakes. Most of these mistakes are preventable. Today's agenda will review, let's get started, 10 of the most common risk management mistakes, practical ways to avoid them. Mistake number 1, failing to review the contract thoroughly. Government contracts include requirements for contractors often focus on project scope, pricing, and deadlines, overlook critical contract provisions, insurance, indemnification, reporting obligations, compliance standards, documentation requirements. A detailed contract review should occur before work begins, not after a problem arises. Mistake number 2, ignoring insurance requirements. Common requirements: government contract insurance, private sector agreements, general liability, workers' compensation, commercial auto, umbrella liability, Defense Base Act insurance. Failure to meet insurance requirements can delay project startup, create compliance issues. Mistake number 3, overlooking Defense Base Act (DBA) obligations. Some assume workers' compensation is enough. Others discover DBA obligations after contract award. Contractors performing overseas work often underestimate DBA requirements. Understanding DBA requirements early is essential for overseas government contracts. Mistake number 4, poor documentation practices. Government projects generate significant documentation, including daily reports, safety records, change orders, inspection reports, contract correspondence. Poor documentation can weaken your position in audits and disputes, harm claims investigations. Mistake number 5, weak subcontractor oversight. When subcontractors fail to, significant exposure can result. Prime contractors often inherit risk from subcontractors. Meet contractual obligations, maintain insurance, comply with requirements. Strong subcontractor management includes contract review, insurance verification, compliance monitoring, performance oversight. Mistake number 6, inadequate insurance compliance monitoring. Procedures must be in place to monitor compliance throughout the project. Insurance compliance isn't a one-time task. Policies expire, endorsements change, coverage limits may be modified. Mistake number 7, misunderstanding contractual risk transfer. These provisions impact liability allocation. Many contracts require additional insured status, waiver of subrogation, hold harmless agreements, indemnification. Contractors must understand their obligations. Mistake number 8, neglecting cybersecurity risks. Cyber incidents can cause government contractors increasingly rely on digital systems and electronic communications. Operational disruptions, data breaches, compliance violations, reputational damage. Cybersecurity is not just an IT issue, it's a business risk management issue. Mistake number 9, failing to prioritize safety. Strong safety programs help reduce. Employee injuries are a leading cause of project disruption. Injury claims, project delays, productivity losses, financial exposure. Safety should be integrated into every phase of project execution. Mistake number 10, waiting until a claim occurs to address risk. The strongest contractors, risk management should begin before contract award and continue throughout the project. Treating risk management as a reactive process is costly. Identify risks before they become problems. Establish systems, procedures, and controls. Real-world example: a federal infrastructure contract. No single issue caused a major claim, but multiple small issues increased risk and consumed management time. Company had strong technical expertise and a proven track record. Subcontractor failed to maintain required insurance. Contract requirements not fully reviewed. Documentation procedures inconsistent. This is how many problems develop, not through one catastrophic mistake, but through multiple small issues that compound over time. Government Contractor Risk Management Checklist. Before beginning any government project, ask, have contract requirements been reviewed? Are insurance requirements satisfied? Have DBA obligations been evaluated? Are subcontractors properly vetted? Is documentation being maintained? Are compliance procedures in place? These questions identify vulnerabilities before they become costly claims. Have contractual risk transfer provisions been reviewed? Are cybersecurity controls active? Is the safety program effective? Is risk management being monitored continuously? Key takeaways: government contracting offers significant opportunities, but success requires more than technical expertise. The most successful contractors focus on contract review, insurance compliance, DBA obligations, subcontractor oversight, documentation, cybersecurity, safety, claims prevention. Risk management is an ongoing process, not a one-time activity. By avoiding these 10 common mistakes, contractors can reduce risk, improve compliance, position themselves for long-term success. Thank you for joining today's webinar. For additional resources visit www.montrageinsurance.com. Government Contractor Risk Management, Defense Base Act Insurance, Contractual Risk Transfer, Contractor Insurance Requirements. Until next time, stay compliant, stay proactive, manage risk before it